Hi, this is Patricia Sade. I'm here to give you guys a tutorial on how I do my videos with just using my iPhone, no laptop, no other cameras or anything like that, strictly just my iPhone. Before I get started, I just want to say that you are going to have to download the, actually no, you don't have to download anything for this tutorial. All right, so anyways, so yeah, this is just a quick little thing. I'm going to show you guys how I take my pictures. First, I do want to show you my light box, which is the only tool that I use aside from the phone. And I got this from Amazon. I believe it was $20-something on Amazon. Gets here really fast. They have it on Amazon Prime. It's super useful. And this is it. So it's simple. You kind of just fold it together, really. Mine is kind of unfolded because I picked it up for whatever reason. And then I have this handy dandy thing, came from IKEA, this little adapter. So once you plug it in, it's supposed to come on. Oh, there you go. So this is how I do it. I'll fix that in a second, but it doesn't really make a difference. Now for me, I had to use papers. This is just regular printing paper. And what I do for this is take off one piece. The rest of them, I just put under the little thing that it comes with, just to create that extra line right there. So that's what it looks like. And then I put this one on top to line it up with this thing here. So it just gives it more space, really, honestly and truthfully. I don't know why that's up, but so that's the setup. This is what it looks like. All right, so that is step one. Now I'm just gonna show you guys exactly how I do my pictures. All right, so I had to switch my iPad, so the quality's not as good, but you still get the picture. You know, I'm doing everything with my phone, with my iPad, with my computer. I'm not using anything special, so just bear with me. I hope that you guys can, you know, still see exactly what I'm doing. But as I showed you guys already, this is the light box here. Hopefully I'll show you guys, or I think I'm gonna show you guys some of the pictures of the results at the end. So today we're going to be taking pictures of the Kingston sunglasses. They are available on Babels.com. Make sure you shop, please. We're taking pictures of the Kingston glasses. I'll give you guys a good look. They are available for pre-order on the site right now. This is what they look like. These are the brown ones. They're called Kingston Golden Brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it here. I want to make sure that they are even. So for my camera, I usually do portrait, and then after that, if it has light colors in it, or even if it doesn't have light colors, I like to use contour light. And then the last trick I do is I use the phone upside down. So, and I also have the grid lines on here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I also use the grid lines just to make sure it is in the middle and it's lined properly. So I usually do two like that, then turn it sideways. And then turn it completely to the side. Alright, so first I go onto my album, I press edit, I go to the exposure, and I adjust that to make the background pretty white. Then I go to the brilliance, which it just kind of makes the glasses appear to be more clear. Then I go to the brightness, I add a little bit to that, but I make it so that the background is light enough, but the glasses are not too much. Then I go to black point, which gives it back more color. From there, there's like a square rectangle type thing with a square and a smaller rectangle inside of it. I click on that, click on square. Then from there, I screenshot that. Then I go into, in this case, I go into Instagram, which is what I use to really make the photo what it is. Get the photo, the screenshot. I use the scribbly line, put the white color on there, and then I color out all the shadows and everything that's not white on there, just to make the background completely white. I also use it to take out some of the shadows from the sunglasses, just to make it look more clean and more polished. From here, I click done, and then I save it to my camera roll, and then we're gonna go back into our album. So now once we're back into the album, we're gonna crop it again. So we're gonna do the same thing. Edit, crop, press the little thing up at the top with the little square and the square on the triangle thing, whatever. Put it to square again, adjust the photo so that it fits inside the box without having any of the blacks on the edges. And then you save that and you're good to go. I just wanted to show you guys what Babels.com looks like, not just for the website, but for the quality of the photos as well. You can see the photo at the top where it says sunglasses. That is a photo that I did take myself. All these photos are from my iPhone, and some of them I've used Instagram to polish them up, some of them I didn't. This is one that I didn't have to do that because the sunglasses have a lot of color already. So guys, I know this tutorial was super fast, but that's just how easy it is to get high quality photos with just using your iPhone. And you see that I used Instagram to assist me in completely making the background white, to touch it up and just to make it look more solid so that you don't see the light. So you don't need an expensive camera. You don't need anything outside of your iPhone. You literally have everything that you need on your phone. So if you need to rewatch this video so you can really get it down packed, do that. Make sure you share it so that other people can also find out some quick ways to get their products online professionally. This is my way of doing it because I don't have money to buy a super expensive camera just to take pictures of my products. So I had to use what I have, make it work, and it works perfectly fine. Make sure you guys go visit Babels.com. Follow us on Instagram, BabelsCo. Follow us on Instagram at BabelsCo. Everything, every platform, you can find us there. Me, of course, my name is Patricia Charday. Patricia Charday on Instagram, Facebook, everything. Follow me, follow the page. Definitely buy some sunglasses. Soon we'll be launching our bathing suits in about a month. Pray to God, crossing my fingers. But make sure you guys follow us, subscribe, share this video so that somebody else can get their stuff online without using a bunch of money.